Alright guys, wanted to make a video talking about some anti-spatter spray that I've come across. Maybe it'll help some of you guys. If you're anything like me, some anti-spatter sprays that I used or have used, they immediately start to give me a headache once I start welding on them. So I started looking at different brands, trying a bunch of different stuff, and ended up coming across this Weld Kleen 350, Weld Kleen 350 anti-spatter. Non-flammable, safe, and environmentally friendly. Protects parts, tooling, and fixtures. This is made by CRC. This is water-based. Not sure if it's focused right there, but so it's water-based. Engineered to prevent weld spatter and smut on base metal. Apply with sprayer, brush, dip, or cloth. Apply thin coating for maximum benefit. Once I started using this, the fumes don't bother me at all. I like the fact that it's in a pump container and not an aerosol. I feel like I have more control over it and actually be able to use it how I want and not worried about the aerosol running out in the inside. This is the 1 quart container, 32 ounces. I want to say I paid around maybe $10 or $12 for this. I will post a link in the description below so you guys can check it out yourself, but figured maybe it will help somebody if they're experiencing the same I don't know, headaches and stuff with that like I was. So I'll do a quick weld on it so you guys can see what it looks like after you weld. One thing I will say about the sprayer though is it does put out a lot of anti-spatter whenever you spray it, so I tend to spray pretty far back so there's just a real light coating. If you put too much on there, it will start messing up the beads, so keep that in mind. Alright, so I'm all set up here to weld. So, like I said, I'll miss kind of far back with this. Real light coating. Not really sure if you can see that in there. So I'm welding this with a Millermatic 211. As you can see, there's no spatter, around the weld, not even close to the tie-ins, toes. The best defense against spatter, though, is going to be setting up the machine properly. But sometimes you really can't avoid it. If you're stick welding, you're going to get a lot of spatter, no matter if your settings are perfect or not. So, I figured that might help somebody out, so check it out. Thanks.